Today, we have 20 questions, only 4 seconds each. Can you score 15 or more? Let's go.
Which animal has a tongue that can be longer than its body? The correct option is A, chameleon. Which animal can survive without oxygen for several days by slowing its body? The correct option is C, goldfish. Which animal has eyes that can move in 2 different directions? The correct option is D, chameleon. Which animal uses echolocation to find food? The correct option is B, bat. Which animal has the largest brain of any animal? The correct option is C, sperm whale. Which animal can glow in the dark ocean? The correct option is A, anglerfish. Which animal can glow in the dark ocean? The correct option is A, anglerfish. Which animal can sleep for only 2 hours a day? The correct option is D, elephant. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell? The correct option is B, dog. Which animal has a shell that grows with it? The correct option is C, turtle. Which animal can see 360 degrees around it? The correct option is C, dragonfly. Which animal can jump 30 times its own body length? The correct option is A, flea. Which animal can survive being cut in half and still live? The correct option is D, planaria worm. Which animal has the loudest call in the animal kingdom? The correct option is B, blue whale. Which animal can run across water surface? The correct option is B, basilisk lizard. Which animal can inflate its body to scare enemies? The correct option is A, pufferfish. Which animal has the fastest reaction time? The correct option is C, mantis shrimp. Which animal can survive without its heart for a short time? The correct option is B, cockroach. Which animal has the longest teeth relative to its size? The correct option is D, narwhal. Which animal can stick to walls using tiny hairs on its feet? The correct option is D, gecko. Which animal can survive extreme heat in deserts? The correct option is A, fennec fox.
That's all 20 questions. How many did you get right? Drop your score below. Like and subscribe.